If you want to resize an image in Leonardo AI without cropping it, this video is going to show you the exact process step by step. This is super useful when you want to make your image bigger or smaller, adjust it to a different aspect ratio, or prepare it for social media, thumbnails, or other design uses without losing parts of the image. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Leonardo AI and go to the Canvas editor from the left sidebar. This is where you can edit and adjust images directly inside the platform. Once the Canvas editor is open, look for the image icon on the left menu. Click that and then upload an image from your computer or choose one from a previous generation if you already created it in Leonardo AI. After your image is on the canvas, the next step is to choose the Select tool from the toolbar. This is usually the arrow icon and it lets you click and resize the image properly. Now click directly on the image itself. When it is selected, you'll see corner handles appear around the image. You can drag those handles inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it larger. This is the main resizing step and it allows you to scale the image up or down exactly how you want. Next, look at the settings panel on the right hand side. Find the Canvas Dimensions dropdown. This is where you can adjust the overall width and height of the canvas. Use the sliders or dimension settings to match your target final aspect ratio. So if you want a square image, a vertical post, or a widescreen layout, this is where you set it up. After changing the canvas size, you may need to reposition your image inside the bounding box grid. Just drag it around until it sits in the best spot. One important thing to know here is that anything outside the frame will not be cropped out when you download the image. That means Leonardo AI is resizing the image inside the canvas, not cropping it like a typical crop tool would. So if your image extends beyond the edges, you can still keep the full composition depending on how you set the canvas. This is exactly why this method is great if you want to resize without losing important details. Now, if what you actually want is to upscale the image instead of just resizing it, that's a different process. In that case, go back to your library, find the image, and click the Upscale option. Upscaling is better when you want to improve resolution and make the image sharper, while resizing in the canvas is better for changing dimensions and layout. So remember, if you want to resize without cropping, use the Canvas editor. If you want a higher quality, larger version, use Upscale from the library. And that's it. Now you know how to resize an image in Leonardo AI the right way without cropping it. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Leonardo AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.